What's up, guys? So today was supposed to be the day that the weather finally cleared and I was going to get this intercooler completely installed and done in a whole video all at once. It's not the way it worked out though. Let me show you what I ran into. So I got from a very trusted source some information that these Garlock gaskets are not the way to go. They are apparently notorious for leaking and I don't want to risk that. They were recommended instead the 07, 08 style factory supercharger gaskets. So I went ahead and ordered those, but they're not here yet. So since I can't do that, I did decide to go ahead and make this a two-part video and get some of the stuff that I can get done. So let me take you out to the car and I'll show you where we're at. So this is phase one all figured out. I'm going to go over everything that I did here. I didn't film it while I was doing it because I was trying to figure it out as I went along. But as you know, the first step you're going to do is you're going to remove the bumper cover. With the bumper cover out of the way, you're going to need to remove this air deflector, which sits up in here like this. You'll have the two clips at the top, which you'll have to get to those, you'll need to go behind this. Then you've got the ones, there's three on the bottom that face up under this bumper. The reason why you have to remove those is because you're going to need to get to the bottom half of this to install these. Hopefully you can see this good. But there are pre-existing holes here and here. There's actually a lot of holes, but these are the two that you're going to use. All I did was drop a bolt down from the other side, which is really easy to get to. Stick this up here in place, start some nuts and tighten it down, and that's what holds it up. Now in addition to that, you're going to need one more bolt. I'm going to try to show you where exactly I'm going with this. You're going to go in between like where the grill was and down, and you'll see where it bolts right there to this little cross brace behind the radiator. That's going to be a pain to get to. Take your time. It's not too bad, but you will need to drill that hole. It does not come pre-drilled. With that out of the way, I turned my attention to mounting the pump. I decided on this as the mounting location for the pump. And the reason being, I just wanted it somewhere that, you know, I could easily run this hose and have this facing up. And then what my plan is to basically have this kind of come up through here and then go into the engine bay through there, and I'll bring the other hose up along the same path. So I went ahead and got this attached. This is good to go. I've just got the cap pushed over this and the cap here to keep that from, you know, inviting anything to go inside of it. And then while that's out of the way, basically I'm done for this. At this point, I do need to run the wiring for the pump, which is right here. And I'm going to run it kind of up through this same channel, and then I'll just run it to the plug over here and then up through there into the engine bay. Should fit pretty well. I'm not too worried about that. I don't want to run that wiring yet because I don't want to hook it up yet, because I don't want to accidentally have someone turn the key or something and run this pump while it's dry. Now, if you're going to run the fill here at this top plug like a lot of people do, then you would run it up into here. I'm not going to do that. I'm going to put a fill up here on the upper hose when I get to it. But I can't do any of the upper end stuff yet because I'm waiting on those gaskets. So I'm going to stop where I'm at for right now. But that is basically the majority of the under bumper stuff. You won't be able to put that back. So you'll have to throw that away, or just, you know, keep it in case you ever need to demod the car or something later. But once I get the two hoses run up through here and the wiring run down, I'm going to put the bumper cover and the headlights back, and I'm done under here. Then I should just have two hoses coming out sort of through here, my wiring. Then I've got to pull the supercharger, put the core on here, run those last couple wires or hoses. It shouldn't even be that much more work. So that is where we're at the end of day 2. So once again, I'm sorry I wasn't able to do this all in one video, but that gives you at least a good starting point, and the rest will be in the next video. hopefully I'll have those gaskets within the next couple days, and we'll see how it goes. Big thanks again to Carnage50 for the heads up on the gaskets. You guys should definitely check out the videos he's got uploaded. It's informative stuff. It's on his channel. And other than that, drop this video a like, leave me a comment, let me know what you think of where I'm at so far, and make sure you're subscribed so you see this actually finished and working. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching, and peace.